Are you tired of the same recycled, get-rich-quick promises flooding your feed? Well, WeirdWealth.co is here claiming to flip that script. It says it can help you make money online by turning your unique traits into a stream of income, offering so-called unconventional methods to do it. Intriguing, right? But when a platform markets itself as something totally new and edgy, it's often worth taking a closer look. In this video, I went deep into what WeirdWealth is all about, digging through its promises, connections, and reputation to answer one key question: is it legit or just another cleverly disguised scam? The first red flag that popped up was its suspicious connection to fetishfinder.com, a site with a very niche and controversial reputation, which raises serious concerns about what kind of traits this platform is really looking to monetize. Then there's the issue of transparency. WeirdWealth throws around bold claims about earning potential but gives little to no solid information on how the process works, what users actually do to make money, or what kind of audience they're tapping into. Even worse, there have been multiple reports from creators who found their Instagram and YouTube profiles listed on the site without their permission, which is a major red flag for privacy and legitimacy. I also came across user reviews that were very mixed. Some said the process was smooth, but a good number of people believe this might be a rebranded version of FeetFinder, a platform that's been criticized heavily for poor traffic, sketchy earnings, and weak customer support. While I didn't get scanned during my walkthrough, I also didn't find any impressive results that back up the platform's flashy claims.